Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I wanna show you how to make a pattern in Photoshop. Digital pattern. So from here I'm unlocking this layer. Press on this layer and the layer is unlocked. From here I would go into the select and select the color range. Select on this white background and hit OK. You can see this is selected and press delete button to delete the background. Now press Ctrl D to deselect the selection. You can see guys, the background is removed precisely. Okay. Now I am opening another layer from here, another document from here. Press new and I would like to have 30 by 32 inches. I'm hitting OK. I have this document right here. I'm pressing on this to unlock the layer. Guys, you can see I have this motif. I have to increase the resolution, so I'm going into the image and clicking on the image size. I have this right here. I'm pressing 300 resolution. Press OK. You can see guys, the resolution is improved. Now I'm taking this move tool and drag this to this document. You can see I have this right here. Now press Ctrl plus to zoom in. Press Ctrl T to transform. You can see now by pressing Shift and Alt you can make it smaller or larger. Press Enter. Now press Alt and drag this here to make a copy. Again press Alt and make a copy. Repeat this again. Like this. Like this. Now I am pressing Ctrl E. Again Ctrl E to merge the layers. Again Ctrl E one more time and one more time. You can see here the layers are merging. Now press Alt and drag this down. You can see. I'm taking this right here. Press Ctrl E to merge the layer. Again press Ctrl E to merge so that I could have this together. Press Alt and drag this down. You can see. Press Ctrl E. Guys, you can see I have this pattern. Now I have this background layer. I want to color. I want to fill the color in this. I will click on this foreground color and from here, for example, I select this black color. Hit OK. And by pressing Alt backspace, you can fill the color. You can see this. This is looking elegant. If you want the edges should not be cut, you can drag this here from here and you can adjust it according to your need. I'm adjusting this like this. Okay. From here I'm saving this file. Quick export as PNG. Here on desktop I am saving this file. Make pattern. I am naming it as pattern. Hit save. Guys, from here you can change the color. From here, if you click on this and you select any of the color, you can change. This is all for today. Okay, bye bye.